Can being overweight, a factor that commonly leads to stigmatization, ironically buffers some people from race-based assumptions about who is American. In 10 studies, participants were shown portraits that were edited to make the photographed person appear either overweight, body mass index or BMI, bigger than 25, or normal weight. A meta-analysis of these studies revealed that overweight Asian individuals were perceived as significantly more American than normal weight versions of the same people. Whereas this wasn't true for white, black, or Latino individuals. A second meta-analysis showed that overweight Asian men were perceived as likely to be in the United States without documentation than their normal weight counterparts. A final study demonstrates that weight stereotypes about presumed countries of origin shape who is considered American. Taken together, these studies demonstrate that perceptions of nationality are malleable and that perceived based on body shape interact to inform these judgments.